Okay, just showed up at the shop here and Peter's back. And we got a 1974 wide gauge. Why does this look familiar? This was my dad's at one point, wasn't it?
That's true, yeah.
This is, I think, one of the main Bombardiers he used up north doing Winter Road. And he would have rebuilt this every couple of years to make sure it was working, because he would be 300 miles back in the bush building Winter Road, and you couldn't afford to have anything break down. I recognize those. That's where they used to put the propane stand, and two in the front there, so they could do cooking, and they would sleep on the back here. So
Engine's a 318 4-barrel balanced and blueprinted.
okay. Oh, you can still eat off that engine. Dad had to rip apart his Bombardiers from front to back every 2 years, because if he didn't, there would be something that would inevitably go wrong, but he couldn't afford that. You can't be stuck out in the middle of nowhere. See, here's the tag. Model AA74. Still has the metal tanks in there. And beautiful machine. So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna take it for a tour or what? Okay, we're on the way here to take a quick tour. Oh, this brings back a lot of memories. Peter's got his earmuffs on because I'm assuming it's not a quiet cab. You said it's a 74? her down the ice. It's going to open her up just to see how fast it all goes. Just a yellow dot in the horizon now. Dad's old war horse here. This thing's probably done more driving in the north than a lot of vehicles. What a beautiful machine. And there's Schooner Shop Dog. Is that your Bombardier, buddy? What are you doing out here? And there's Daisy, Puckatawagan Garbage Dog. Dogs are worried they're going to get left behind. Peter's just parking it again out of the way. So tell us again, what year?
1974 wide gauge.
Okay, what kind of motor?
318 4-barrel balanced and blueprinted.
Okay, so is this your favorite wide gauge or just one of your wide gauges?
This is about the best overall machine for pulling and for work.
Okay.
Yeah, of all of them.
And it's beautiful. It's gorgeous look to it, but it's also a working Bombardier.
Yeah.
And
whatever you want.
yeah, is what don't you like about it? A little hard on turning, I saw, and it's a little noisy in the cab.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have power steering on this?
This has hydraulic factory power steering.
Okay. So, even got the sliding windows. It's handy if you're a smoker. Peter's not a smoker though. Or your
LED lights.
LED lights, yeah. There you go.
Receivers, front and back.
And the dogs are just so nervous that everybody was going to leave today.
They seem to think they're going to be
Yeah.
behind.
Well, there you go. Another Bombardier out in the wild being used. Owner loves owning it. What a gorgeous machine. A lot of memories here. So we're back at Peter's machine here again, and the topic of conversation in the shop is electronic fuel injection. Peter, do you have electronic fuel injection?
No, I do not.
Would you use electronic fuel injection on a Bombardier?
Under no circumstances would I put EFI on a Bombardier. There's enough things that are capable of going wrong by themselves
Yeah.
without introducing further problems like computerized parts, for instance.
Yeah. So you're quite happy having just a carburetor?
Totally happy.
Yeah?
I would be so nervous going out with EFI that you're never going to make it back.
Okay. So if you, how much would it cost you to go to EFI if you lost a bet? Like, and I put a gun to your head and you said, well, you got to pay me this much.
To go to EFI,
Yeah.
at least 10,000.
Okay. 10 grand. Wow. That's how
You pay
against,
me.
yeah,
Put it
you
on.
pay you. Okay.
I'm the one who has to suffer after.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go.
This is the other way you go. You just drive,
Okay. Yeah.
push the pedal once.
There you go. A little bit of gas and that's all you needed, right?
Just set the choke. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No problems.
Okay. So here's a customer who does not like electronic fuel injection.
I'd never have it.
Never
On an
have it.
off-road machine.
Yeah.
There's enough things that can go wrong without that.
Okay.